How Power Pages revolutionize manufacturing industries. Manufacturing is the backbone for innovation, but staying competitive means adapting to new modern challenges. Complex workflows, disconnected systems, and communication breakdowns can hold your business back. But what if you could tackle them all with one tool? Why Power Pages? Power Pages is Microsoft's low-code platform that empowers you to build professional, secure websites and portals. Whether it is for employees, customers, or suppliers, Power Pages makes it easy to streamline operations. With Power Pages, you can create portals for suppliers to track orders, view inventory levels, and manage shipments. This transparency strengthens partnerships and improves supply chain efficiency. Power Pages allows you to build self-service portals for employees to access training materials, submit timesheets, and manage their schedules. It's a one-stop shop for all their needs. By integrating with Power BI, Power Pages displays real-time production metrics and factory performance data. This allows you to make informed decisions instantly. Customer portals built with Power Pages let your clients track orders, access product information, and request support, all in a user-friendly interface. Power Pages lets you automate routine workflows, from production approvals to maintenance reminders. This reduces delays and ensures smooth operations. Security is a priority in manufacturing. Power Pages ensures your data is protected with role-based access controls and compliance with industry standards. Ready to transform your manufacturing operations? Contact Evolvous today and start building a smarter future with Power Pages.